South Coast seafood king Blackie gearing up for his annual showdown. Little Ochi, his place here in Alligator Pond.
I started squatting, then I become the owner.
A young Blackie selling a breakfast of mint tea and eggs to fishermen, later adding to his offerings and also catering to folks arriving to buy the fresh catch.
You get up in the morning, meet the fisherman that go out like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. You know, no housewife not get up at that time to fix nothing to make the fisherman them go. So I provide that service.
Today, Little Ochi with a vast menu. Blackie boasts 75 seafood dishes, but I asked him to single out one that's sort of his signature.
I created the jerkfish. Every other restaurant, they're questioning them if they can do it like how Blackie do it. So jerkfish is one of my leading selling products, and I sell hundreds of that daily.
Red snapper stuffed with scotchy-infused goodness is what he's talking about.
We put scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, onion as our ground season. Our jerk sauce is just our natural secret that we don't put out. Even if I give you, you still can't get it as Little Ochi can do it.
What's this over here?
This is our new squid, and we can prepare this in many ways. I can do this in some jerk sauce for you. I can do it in garlic sauce. I can curry it. I can put it on the grill. I can just even parboil it and give you the flavor of some lime juice, and you just eat it natural. This is a natural seafood, you know. And this is so soft.
I'll just pick it up.
Yeah.
The scotchy makes all the difference.
Yes, man.
Kitchen boss Dennis's tolerance for scotch bonnet takes my breath away.
This is it.
There's a little here that doesn't get the scotchy treatment.
I love escovitch fish.
Yeah.
What's the secret of a great escovitch fish?
All right, our secret is we make sure we wash our fish. We core our fish and add the salt to it. And then we season our oil with the scallion and the scotch bonnet pepper. The oil have a flavor, and that flavor is so really good that when you fry the fish in that oil and get it out and add the vinegar sauce to it, you don't want nothing more on that.
This is Control Tower. AK Parker.
Blackie still gets his fish from local fishermen, but the catch isn't what it used to be. So he too has to partially rely on big suppliers like Rainforest to meet demand.
I have quite a few boats that fish for me directly, but I also buy fish off Rocky Point, Treasure Beach. I have 2 boats that go to the Pedro Key. I take all the supplies. Any business that can sell more than 100 pounds of fish per day will have to either go to Rainforest, which I do, and I'm not afraid to say, like quite a few people will do. I get premium supplies from them because of my business over the years and my consistent support in them.
What does premium supply mean?
The best of the best.
So the rest of us are not getting the best of the best.
I'm not saying that the rest, but I get the best from them to sell.
There's another problem you face here, and that's the sea eroding more and more of your shoreline.
I throw 50 loads of stone down there to just slow down the process. I was promised by the current government that they will assist me in putting up some grind. I haven't seen that as yet.
Little Ochi on stilts looking like the future. Speaking of which, where are the young fishermen and farmers?
The young youth, them just want to get up, sit on the street, roll up their hands and all of those things. Farming in this era becomes a blooming business. The agro park is opening up by New Forest. The water people and putting in water in every sector. But I'm just waiting to see if it's going to attract these young people. I've been working 30 odd years. I can buy a shoes. But these young men want to buy shoes and cars and don't even put in 1 year of work as yet. So it's the whole mentality and mind frame of these young people is very dark. Yeah?
On the bright side, his calendar seafood extravaganza come July 9th. Blackie promising an all-you-can-eat spread, including lobster.
Honestly speaking, Anthony, I don't think they can eat me out of lobster. My greatest joy is to see somebody who come to you all 5-6 times per month, and if they have a fault, they say it, but they keep on coming back.